If you've ever had loaded potatoes at a restaurant, well, you've had a good thing. And today we're gonna have loaded potatoes in my kitchen. So come along. All right, first step, you have to add a little bit of oil on top of your potato and make sure that it is nice and wet. On top of this, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna go ahead and grab a pinch of the salt. Salt it up, baby. Now into the oven. Here we go. Baked potato at 450 degrees for 45 minutes. Looks like this. Baked potato, 450 degrees for 45 minutes. Looks like this. Yeah. Don't think that loaded potatoes are something that you can just sit down and do really quickly. This takes time. To cook the potato, it takes about 45 minutes, and then it's going to take another reheating process, which takes about 10 minutes total. So this whole process could take about 1 hour. So just keep that in mind. All right, this potato is super hot, so you're going to have to use a dish towel to hold it, and then you're going to cut it. Now, many times people say cut it in the middle. No, don't do it. Cut it like 3/4 up or maybe 2/3 up, okay? This is what it's supposed to look like. Look. It's just the top, just this top. Now you take out the inside. Be very careful as you take out the inside of the potato to keep the rind in place. We pulled the outside, the inside out, and look at the steam so you can tell this baby is hot. Now we did the same thing with the top of this potato. Then we're gonna put it back in the oven and we're gonna dry out the skin just a little bit. But before we do, we're gonna put some salt on top of these skins because potatoes are bland. So while that is cooking in the oven, we're gonna add a teaspoon of butter. We're gonna have some sour cream, a teaspoon of sour cream, and come on you, we'll use that later. And a handful of cheese, which is about half a cup of cheese. Mix this up and get this ready as the stuffing. It's never a bad idea to add some pepper and some salt. Always a little bit of salt. Because why? Because potatoes are pretty bland. All right, now we've added our filling to the potatoes. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top and back in the oven. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. So let's put our potatoes, our recently made potatoes, on this waiting plate right here. All right. Some garnish, just some scallions. Looks pretty. It's an easy process. It's just a little bit long, but so worth it. I made these without bacon, but of course, you can always add bacon to it. Makes it even that much better. So I hope you enjoy that easy, that simple recipe. Loaded potatoes, baked potatoes, twice baked. These are amazing. They're amazing for you. They're amazing for your friends. Just have them come over. They'll never leave. Honestly, you're gonna make these, they're just never You're gonna enjoy it. If you ever do this recipe, invite me. In fact, just comment below, tell me what you did, how you did it, what other ingredients did you put in there? I'd love to hear about it. So comment below, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.